Greetings, people of YouTube. Wayne Hackman here, aka Waxstar. And before you now is the 2019 MacBook Pro. 3 months ago, back in the summer of 2019, I wanted to buy myself an updated MacBook, and fortunately they had just refreshed the range. So you can see that this is the 13-inch, it's 2.4 gigahertz i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 PCI-based SSD. It's quite a powerful machine, and I got a really good deal on an educational discount. So what do you get inside? Well, it's been about 5 years since I bought a brand new Mac, and so I was intrigued to see what was in the box. And to be honest, there is not a lot. Bar the machine itself, all you get inside is a copy of The Destructions. You also get a USB-C Apple charger, plus a USB-C cable. And that's it. But let's be frank here, we're buying the MacBook not for its accessories, but for this beautiful, sleek 13.3 displayed machine. It has these new, apparently rumored better butterfly switches, and after 3 months of using it, I've been impressed. I've since updated it to the latest version of OS X, and I haven't any complaints. So it's just a simple unboxing today. Thank you for watching. Do all of the things that YouTubers do. Rate, subscribe, and as always, have one on me.